गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स। ग्रामर का नेक्स्ट लेसन हम ले रहे हैं यूज ऑफ इज आर एम इन क्वेश्चन फॉर्म। यूज ऑफ is are am as question words। आज हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। टुडेज टॉपिक इज द यूज ऑफ is or am as question words। In this English grammar lesson, we have discussed how positive sentences be formed and how we formed negative sentences. Today we will discuss again, starting from there, from very simple form to negative sentences, then interrogative sentences, and then how interrogative sentences are answered in short form. Okay? Now let us start from the simple sentence. I mean positive sentence. Positive sentence. This positive sentence be formed with the help of is or am. So first of all, first person I am. Again we discussed he, she, it. We used is with these subjects, and then we, you, they. Remember, we use are with these three subjects individually. Okay? If we are to form, हमने अगर इनको क्वेश्चन बनाना हो, क्योंकि पिछले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने नेगेटिव बनाए थे। We formed negative sentences from these positive sentences. We transformed from positive to negative. Today we will do interrogative sentences. So let us start. Interrogative कैसे बनाए जाते हैं? How can we make interrogative sentence? If अगर इसी को ले लें हम, if we take I am, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will rearrange the words. Auxiliary will be taken first am, then I. This simple change will make the question. Simple change. I am I. If we speak am before I, it becomes question. If we speak I am, subject first, that is I, auxiliary later, that is am, I am. This is simple sentence. So whenever we write a question or interrogative sentence, we end this sentence with question mark. This is very important part. We mark question mark at the end of the sentence to show that this is a question. Am I? Similarly, here we have subject he, she, it, and followed by is. If we speak is first, then he, it means this is a question. Is he? This is a question. Is she? Again question. Is it? Question. Means auxiliary first, is first in case of he, she, it. We start the sentence with is, is. Is he, is she, is it. Then end with question mark. This is interrogative sentence. Right? Now, are. Again, if we take this are, we, this is a question, fundamental question. Are we? Then are you? Question mark. Are they? These are questions. Follow? ये क्वेश्चन बन गए हैं. अब इनके आंसर हमें देने हों. If we are to answer these questions, again, answer is very simple. Simply we have to remember the word order, the arrangement of words in a sentence. If we remember this, we can easily frame questions, we can easily frame simple sentences, we can easily frame negative sentences. Now, if we are to answer these questions, then short answers, probable short answers. Probable means it depends on one's choice, whether he wants to respond in a positive way or in a negative way. If we want to respond in positive way, then their answer could be, am I positive? Short answers मैं लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे, short answers. These are probable answers. Don't take it permanent answers. These are probable answers. Positive response. Yes. Answer. How will we answer? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Am I? Yes, I am. This is probable answer in a positive sentence. If you are to answer this same sentence but in a negative way, then negative answer. In a negative answer, as we said yes first, then no first. No, comma, I am not. No, I am not. This is probable answer. Right? So this question, am I, can be answered in these two ways. If you are to answer in a positive way, you can say yes, I am. If you are to answer in a negative way, no, I am not. If we practice like this, we can speak easily. Then, is he? Again, yes, positive, yes, he is. He is. So, he is. No question mark, since they are simple sentences. Simple sentences. He is can be said like he is. Yes, he is. Sir, spoken English like. Yes, she is. You can say like this. You can say like this. Yes, he is. He is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. It's. But better it would be if we use is. It would be better and make some impression. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Like this. Yes. If we are to answer the same sentence in negative form, then no, comma, he is not. He is not. Are. This slash indicates are, choice. No, he isn't. This is another way of writing. Yes, she is. No, she is not. She is not. Slash, no, she isn't. Right? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Or, no, it isn't. So this is about he, she, it. Use of is. Here we made sentences with the help of is, am. Now we are taking up are. Are we? If positive, yes, we are. Yes, simple form. Then, yes, you are. Yes, they are. Now, if we are to transform these positive sentences into negative sentences, we can similarly write no, comma, we are not. We are not. Or we aren't. No, we aren't. Yes, you are. So in place of yes, we say no. You are, you are not. You are not. No, you aren't. They, yes, they are. No, They aren't. They are not. No, they aren't. Right? So this is the way to make questions with the help of is, are, am. Remember one thing, whenever we make question with these auxiliaries, their probable answers are yes or no. In a very talkative language, we can answer with either yes or with no. Then we have to know more about, because questions are always formed to get information, to acquire information. So why they are put? They are put to acquire information. So if we are to simply brief information is required, yes or no, then we frame questions like this. And if we are to get more information, very specific information, then we use 7 WH words, WH question words. And those WH question words are, now I should wipe out this information. WH question words are, WH question words are like what, as we prepare a questionnaire, we always keep in mind 7 question words, that is what, then why, when, where, who, which, how. So these 7 question words help us in getting complete information about a subject. So whenever we use these, means our answer should be elaborated, should be in detail, right? Today's topic is over, but a little information is that if we are to form interrogative negative sentences or negative interrogative sentences, a slight information is, a little information is, I would share with you, that we should keep that always in mind. We should not get surprised that why or how this has happened. I have one sentence, that is, if, as I already told you about, a question, am I? This is a question. If we attach not with this question, it becomes am I not? Am I not? So not is used, it means this question has become negative interrogative, because question is first formed by am. So question first First came question, then we entered with not. It becomes interrogative negative. Interrogative interrogative negative sentence. Small negative. Here a new information for you all, that is, if we take this, sometimes what happens whenever we speak sentence, in order to make some impression, in order to show some pressure, some force behind, urgency behind, then we change a little the arrangement of the words. Am I not? If you say am not I, this is generally not used like this sentence. What we do here, we say aren't I. Aren't I? This is the question. Remember this sentence. Aren't I? We never used am not I. Am not I. This is in English grammar. This is not approved. Right? This sentence is not recognized, is not confirmed, is not approved, is not accepted. What is accepted is aren't I. Remember this specially. I have taken this from your English grammar. Then other sentences are very simple as usual, as other sentences are. As are you not? Are you not? If you are to change this, its place, and bring before you, then it will become कैसा होगा ये? Aren't you? There is no problem. Very simple. Likewise, is he not? Is he not? You can very similar way. Isn't he? ये जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं, ये वाले छोटे क्वेश्चन, they are generally said after a statement. They are generally said after a statement. Like, we have a statement. You say anybody's name. Say Arjun is a warrior. Now you are telling somebody. Now if we have to use question tag after this statement. If here it is use of is there, then its question tag would be negative. Isn't Arjun? Arjun की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? Isn't he? Isn't he? So such small sentences are generally asked after statements. I think Most of the concepts are clear. आप बहुत सारा जानते हैं. This part or this topic or this lecture is simply to recall your earlier information and discuss a little doubts. But we have forgotten, we will refresh that. And next time we are starting with auxiliaries, because auxiliaries are very important part of English grammar. Right? Till then, thank you very much and wish you